Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to find our lost phone. For example, in somewhere we have lost our phone and we missed our phone in some places. Later we will check and check for our phone is not there. Then how we can find that device. We are going to see this in this video. So first what you have to do is go to the Google search and type find my device. To do this, the prerequisites are first, a phone should be an Android phone. Second, it should add some Google account. So, if the both criteria are fallen, then we have to do these steps. First, search find my device and enter. It will give you a list. Go to the find my device link. Now see here, this will show the two phones, but I am checking for this phone, Xiaomi Foco F1. So these have three options: play sound, secure device, erase device. Okay, the right side you can see where you can show the where this phone is now currently on. So I will zoom in where this phone is currently in. So you know the location where the phone is currently in. So we found the place. Then later on we go to that place and we can play the sound for 5 minutes. This will give a ring. If you want to stop, you can stop that ring. Okay, this will give us a immense thing that we can get the device wherever in a present. So second option is secure device. If you want to lock this device and you sign, this will make a sign out of your Google. Third is erase device. If you want to erase all the content from your device, if after the loss, then you can choose this option. Okay, guys, this is the way how you can find your lost phone. If you like this video, please share with your friends, comment it, and please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon. Then only you will get the latest technical videos, whatever we are uploading in the portal. Thanks, guys.